Today's going to come down for the 2 worms that Jay put down. He's going to take both. Okay, we're at Fluffy's. Cloudy morning, but not supposed to rain. I think the storm has passed on through. What little dry food was left in her dry food dish was wet from yesterday's rain. I dumped it out and put fresh dry food in and emptied her water because it was all icky. And Peacock on the bare golden tree. With the sun not coming over the hilltops because of the clouds, his colors are coming through better. Beautiful, colorful peacock. He's up on the tree. Okay, the Arroyo de los Coches stream is in full force after yesterday's atmospheric river passed through. Oh my gosh. And there's been flooding, not in this area, but in areas in San Jose. Penitencia Creek flooded its banks and evidently flooded the first floor of apartment buildings. We didn't walk yesterday because we had a major storm going through our area, but we've got lots of birds here today. Happy to see us back. Red-winged blackbirds, white crowned sparrows, golden crowned sparrows, doves. On the ground as well as on the table.
And just a quick shot of, well, now just one of the peafowl on the roof of the poultry coop at Whispering Hills Ranch. The sibling had gone into the bush just to the left.
Back at Fluffy's. Still cloudy, a little bit of sun here and there. Treats are down. It's okay, we're here with you. Loud sounding truck coming. Okay, Fluffy's coming back.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good.
Fluffy, finish your treats? Oh, you want some attention? Okay, attention. You got it. So good girl. Yes, you are. Yeah. Go finish your treats. Fluffy. Fluffy. You're not paying attention. Look, there's 2 treats right there. Right there, look, on the ground. Right there, look. Looky, looky. You'd rather have attention. Okay. Fluffy. Speedy, come on. That's a boy. Ate one, take one? Okay. Come on.